Welcome back to Healthy Nidhi. Let's celebrate Makar Sankranti with these crunchy sweets. We start by making til or sesame ladoos. We roast sesame seeds till light and golden. Then in another pan we add ghee or coconut oil and add the crushed jaggery. Allow it to melt at low heat. Then we add the roasted sesame seeds and mix well to combine. Then we grease a smooth surface with ghee or coconut oil and pour the mixture. Allow it to cool. Then we make mini ladoos and top it with pumpkin seeds or pistachio. Next up, we are making gur or jaggery ke makhane or fox nuts. We start by roasting the fox nuts in ghee or coconut oil. Then we add the crushed organic jaggery on low heat and allow it to melt. Add the roasted nuts and mix well to combine. Remove on a parchment paper, allow it to cool. Break the fox nuts, clusters and enjoy. Next, we are making Peanut Fudge Chikkis. We start by roasting the peanuts till golden. Remove on a tea towel and rub well to remove the skin. Empty the peanuts in mortar and a pestle and crush it lightly. Add the crushed jaggery on low heat in a pan and allow it to melt. Add ghee or coconut oil to the warm syrup. Add crushed peanuts and mix well to combine. Grease a silicone ice tray and pour the mixture. Allow it to set and demold. Serve this to your friends and family. So I hope you like this recipe as much as I did. So please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and family. Happy Makar Sankranti!